Hello, in this presentation I will show you how to sort data in Google Sheets. I have a very small data set here that is currently sorted by ID. I have a list of 7 individuals and they are listed in this data set in the order of their numerical ID. But let's pretend that I want to reorganize this data set and have individuals listed in the alphabetical order of their last name. So to do this, first I have to select the range of data that I want to sort. And when doing this, we have to be very careful because I want to select all of the columns that refer to the same individuals. If I am selecting only some of the columns, then very serious errors can occur. So I have to select everything that is related to the individuals, and everything that I am leaving out is just the column names because these are the variable names and I don't want them to be mixed with the actual data. So after selecting the data range, I'm going to select the data menu and then go to sort range. If you select sort sheet, then all the data in the worksheet will be sorted. So now I want to sort a range of data, and then I'm going to select advanced range sorting options. And as I mentioned earlier, I want to sort the data in the alphabetical order of last names. So last names are in the column C. So I'm going to select column C here from A to Z and then click sort. You can see that now the order of the observations was changed, right? The numerical ID values are listed in a different order now, and everything has changed. But Google Sheets and Excel gives you the option to sort data using multiple criteria at the same time. So let's say that I want to sort my data using first the last names and then the first names of individuals, because some individuals may have the same last name. So let's try and do that again. I'm selecting the data range that I need and then click data, sort range, advanced range sorting options. And again, I'm going to select column C, which is the last name, but now I'm going to add another sorting criterion by clicking on the option Add Another Sort Column. And here I'm going to select column B because column B includes the individual's first names. And then I'm going to click Sort. So now I can see that individuals are listed in the order of their last names and then by their first names.